Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel English with Comrade. In this video, I am going to talk a bit on IELTS bands. And if you want to know more about IELTS and the test format of IELTS, the purpose of IELTS, and many things about IELTS, I have already made 2 videos about it. Link is in the description. Watch that video as well. Inshallah, it will help you out. But before moving on to the topic, if you are new in this channel, do subscribe channel and press the bell icon for more videos. So let's get started. Description of bands. Scores for each of the 4 skills, namely reading, writing, listening and speaking, are equally weighted. The overall band scores are calculated by taking the mean result for each part of the test. So the first one, band score 9th one, and skill level is expert user. What will be its description? Candidate have a full operational command of the language as he shows complete understanding. And if we talk about 8th one, means band score 8th, so its skill level is very good user. And description is candidate have a fully operational command of the language with some uncoordinated misconceptions. He handles complex, detailed argumentation well. And the 7th one is good user. Its description is candidate have an operative knowledge of the language, though with occasional inaccuracies and misunderstandings. In some situations, he handles complex language well and understands detailed premises. And the 6th one is, means band score 6th one, skill level is competent user. And its description is, despite of some inaccuracies, ill-suited usage and misconceptions, candidates still have good command of the language. He can use and understand fairly complex language, particularly in familiar situations. And the 5th one is modest user. Although candidate has more likely to make many mistakes, still has partial command of the language and cope with overall meaning in most situations. He can handle basic communication in his own field. And the 4th one is limited user. Candidate's basic competence is limited to familiar situations. He sometimes shows problems in understanding and expression. He is not able to use complex language. And the 3rd one, band score 3rd one, extremely limited user. Its skill level is extremely limited user. Description is candidate delivers and understand only general meaning in very common condition. There are frequent failures in his communication. And the second one is intermittent user. And candidate has great difficulty in understanding spoken and written English. The first one is non-user. You have no ability to use the language except a few isolated words. And the last one is 0. So obviously did not attempt the test and candidate did not answer the questions. Obviously he was not present or he is not present. So it's 0. And thanks for watching. I hope it has been helpful for you. See you in the next video. If you have liked this video, must share with your friends as well. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.